Understanding leg muscle. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into the phrase, leg muscle. If you've ever wondered what it means or wanted to use it correctly in sentences, then you're in the right place. Leg muscle is a combination of two words. 1. Leg. This is the part of the body that starts from the hip and extends to the foot. It's what we use to walk, run, jump, and stand. 2. Muscle. This refers to the fibrous tissues in our body that contract to produce movement. Muscles can be found throughout our body, and they are responsible for almost every kind of movement we make. When combined, the phrase, leg muscle, refers to the muscles located in the leg. Simple, right? Understanding body parts and their functions is essential not only for daily communication but also for situations like exercising, seeking medical advice, or even just expressing pain or discomfort. If you say, "I pulled a leg muscle during my morning run," it means one of the muscles in your leg was strained or injured while you were running. To ensure you're comfortable using this phrase, here are some example sentences. 1. She has strong leg muscles from years of playing soccer. 2. When you do squats, you are working out your leg muscles. 3. He felt a sharp pain in his leg muscle after the long hike. There you have it. Now you know what the phrase, leg muscle, means and how to use it in sentences. We hope this video was enlightening. Remember, every step you take in learning broadens your horizons. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.